Hi, this is Alicia here. Am I speaking with the homeowner?
Yeah, who's Alicia? What is this about?
Alicia from a local air supply vents cleaning company. The reason of this call is just to inform you that we are running a 50% discount offer right now on cleaning all air supply vents you have with a free basic cleaning of your laundry, dryer van with 1 year of service warranty.
So when you say air, like it's the air that I'm breathing, you're gonna clean that? My air supply?
Air conditioning.
Oh,
Exactly,
air conditioning.
air.
Yeah. Hey,
Yes.
hold on 1 second. Hey, Jackie, stop. Are you snorting coke? Stop it. That's for your birthday tonight. You're supposed to share that with your friends. I'm sorry. Hold on. Jackie, put that away. I'm sorry. Wait, she's having a quinceañera tonight, and she's being very selfish with her, stuff. Anyway, go on. How does this work now?
So we are running a 50% discount on that with a basic free cleaning of your laundry and dryer van. And just not this, we will provide you 1 year of service warranty. May I know how many AC units you have? Is there one or you have two out there?
I have two. I think two. There's two ACs out there.
That's
so
totally great.
you would do both ACs? Hold on 1 second.
Yeah.
Sorry, 1 second. Bobby, are you shooting up? Stop it. That's Jackie's for her birthday tonight. Jackie, take that syringe from her. I don't want him to overdose again. Stop it. I'm sorry. These kids. I'm on an important call here. Please, people. Sorry. Go ahead.
So you said you have 2 units. It doesn't matter how many vans you have or bigger houses. We're going to clean all the air supply vans.
Oh,
You
wow.
said you have 2 units, so we will provide you 4 services for that. First of all, we will clean all the air supply vents from the inside and outside. Then we will do a free inspection of your whole AC unit. And we will provide you 1 year of service warranty, whole 1 year, mister. If you face a single problem, just call our technician. They will take care of it. You don't need to pay me money for that. And then we will provide you a free basic cleaning of your dryer van, laundry as well.
Laundry?
So these 4 services,
does that mean you do my laundry? Is that what you said? I'm sorry. I'm distracted.
Yeah.
You're going to do my laundry?
If you book an appointment today,
what?
Let me tell you. If you book an appointment today, you can get a basic free cleaning of your laundry and dryer van.
Of my laundry?
So
You're going to do my laundry? That's
we
nice.
We will provide you for your 2 units.
My wife will be very happy with somebody doing my laundry. Hey, hold on 1 second. I think my bookie just pulled up. Oh my gosh, I owe him lots of money. And I think he's got a gun. I gotta go. My bookie, he's gonna... All right, good luck with your laundry business. Bye.